Hi guys, today I will show you how to call Department of Health Hotline using keypad number. Let's call it. Click on record, speaker, mute.
Thank you for calling the Department of Health Hotline.
Press the
Press
keypad
1 for
for
COVID-19
keypad.
related inquiry. The DOH protects your personal information in accordance with the rules and regulations set by the Data Privacy Act. We only collect the necessary personal information to fulfill the purpose of your call. For details, visit www.doh.gov.ph. To proceed with this call, press 1.
Press the keypad for 1.
Please wait a moment while we connect your call to our DOH agent. To ensure the quality of service we provide you, this call will be recorded. Thank you.
You can wait for the hang up option. Let's hang up. Goodbye.